Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment and share. In this video, I am going to discuss on Fourier series over the interval 0 to 2 pi. In this very simple example I am going to select here, that is expand f of x equal to x square in a Fourier series over the interval 0 to 2 pi. Before going to the Fourier series expansion, let me compare with the interval. Okay, my interval is alpha to alpha plus 2 pi 2l, which is equal to 0 to 2 pi, which implies my alpha equal to 0 and 2l equal to 2 pi minus 0, which is equal to 2 pi. Therefore, l equal to pi. Now, let us check the function is even or odd. To check the function is even or odd, I have to, in the interval 0 to 2 pi, I have to replace x by 2 pi minus x. My f of x is x square. To check even or odd, f of 2 pi minus x equal to 2 pi minus x the whole square, which is neither equal to f of x nor equal to minus f of x. Don't get confused about this one. F of x is replaced by minus x. This, to check this type, interval must be, interval is minus pi to plus pi. Then we are checking for f of minus x. Whenever the interval is 0 to 2 pi, we have to replace 2 pi minus x. For that, you can go for my second video, how to check even and odd function. Okay, therefore, f of x equal to x square is neither even nor odd function in 0 to 2 pi. Got it? It is neither even nor odd in 0 to 2 pi, but it is even in minus pi to plus pi. F of x equal to x square minus x the whole square, which is equal to plus x square. It is even in minus pi to plus pi, but in 0 to 2 pi it is neither even nor odd function. Then I have to find out all the three Fourier coefficients here. Now Fourier series is given by, Fourier series is f of x is equal to a naught divided by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n pi x by l plus bn into sin n pi x by l. This is the Fourier series. From this, Fourier coefficients are given by one I will calculate. A naught is equal to 1 by l integration from alpha to alpha plus 2l f of x into dx. Now l is nothing but l I have calculated as a pi. Substitute there. 1 by pi integration from 0 to 2 pi. My f of x is x square dx. Correct? Integration of x square is x cube divided by 3 between the limits 0 to 2 pi, which is nothing but 1 by 3 pi upper limit minus lower limit, that is 2 pi cube minus 0 cube, which is equal to a naught. Here one of the pi will cancel and it will become 2 to the power cube. 8 pi square divided by 3 is my a naught. Okay, like that an I have to calculate now. An is given by 1 by pi integration from alpha to alpha plus 2l f of x into cos n pi x by l into dx. Let me substitute the l value. Sorry, here 1 by l I will take. Next I will substitute. That is 1 by pi integration from 0 to 2 pi f of x is x square into cos n pi x divided by pi. L is nothing but pi into dx. pi cancels, x square into cos nx. This one I have to integrate using the Bernoulli's rule. That is 1 by pi outside, x square into integration of cos nx will become sin nx divided by n, minus differentiation of x square is 2x, integration of sin nx divided by n is minus cos nx divided by n square, plus differentiation of 2x is 2 into integration of minus cos nx is minus sin nx divided by n cube between the limits 0 to 2 pi. Again for 0 to 2 pi, sin 2n pi and sin 0, both for upper limit and lower limit, this term is going to become 0, as well as this term also going to become 0. Only for this term I have to substitute both upper limit and lower limit. That is 1 by pi minus of minus plus, okay, that is 2 by n square also I can take common, 2 by n square, and will remain with cos x into cos nx between the limits 0 to 2 pi. Now substitute upper limit and lower limit. That is 2 divided by pi n square into upper limit 2 pi into cos 2n pi minus x equal to 0, 0. Okay, therefore pi cancels. It will become an is equal to 4 times cos 2n pi is minus 1 raised to 2n divided by n square, which is equal to, okay, my an will become 4 divided by n square, because minus 1 raised to 2n is plus. Therefore this is my an. Like that, bn I have to evaluate now. Okay, that is bn is given by 1 by L integration from alpha to alpha plus 2L f of x into sin n pi x by L into dx. My L is 1 by pi, integration from 0 to 2 pi, f of x is x square into sin n pi x by pi into dx. Pi cancels, and integrate this, again Bernoulli's rule I have to use. That is 1 by pi integration of x square into integration of sin nx will become minus cos nx divided by n, minus differentiation of x square is 2x, integration of minus cos nx will become minus sin nx divided by n square, plus differentiation of 2x is 2, minus already 1 is there, one more minus will come of integration of sin nx will become cos nx divided by n cube, okay, between the limits 0 to 2 pi. Now again for 0 to 2 pi, sin containing term, this totally becomes 0. Only for these two terms I have to simplify. Let me substitute first 1 by pi, simplify, then I will substitute. That is minus x square into cos nx divided by n, and this one is minus of minus plus 2 times cos nx divided by n cube. For these two I will substitute the upper limit and lower limit. Okay, therefore bn is equal to 1 by pi outside, x square is replaced by 2 pi the square into cos 2n pi divided by n, minus again x equal to 0 will substitute here, that will come 0. This is for first term, plus second term. For second term it is 2 into cos of 2n pi divided by n cube, minus 2 into cos 0 divided by n cube. Okay, let me simplify this. This will become 1 by pi into 4 pi square cos 2n pi is minus 1 raised to 2n. Since cos of n pi equal to minus 1 raised to n, cos 2n pi equal to minus 1 divided by n, this is 0, plus 2 by 2 into minus 1 raised to 2n divided by n cube minus 2 into 1 divided by n cube. Okay, therefore these two cancels again. This will become 1 of the pi will cancel, 4 into pi and minus 1 raised to 2n is plus 1 divided by n. 4 pi by n is my bn value. Okay, plus or minus, let me check here. Okay, my bn is minus is there, therefore it will become minus 4 pi by n. Okay, therefore Fourier series of x square in 0 to 2 pi is equal to x square into a naught divided by 2. A naught value is 8 pi square divided by 3 divided by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an value is 4 divided by n square into cos n pi x by pi. Okay, plus bn value is minus 4 pi by n into sin n pi x divided by pi. Okay, here pi cancels, and one more step I can write it as it will become 2 on the 2, that is 4 pi square divided by 3. Okay, 4 pi square divided by 3 plus summation, I can write 4 outside here, 4 times summation n equal to 1 to infinity and cos nx divided by n square for first term, and split the summation for the second term as minus 4 pi, I can take common, summation n equal to 1 to infinity into sin nx divided by n. This is the Fourier series for x square in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Like this, some more examples whichever even and odd functions I'm going to solve in my next videos. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications. Share the video, comment and like the video. Thank you friends.